Change this from yellow to green. Now, point A has the coordinates -3, 2, and it lies on a straight line with equation y equals f of x. Find the coordinates of the image point of A on the straight line with the equation f of x -3. So if it's outside this bracket, it means it only affects the y coordinate. So that's x and that's y. So it means that x remains the same place, but y is going to move down 3. So that's 2 minus 3 is -1. Now, this one is inside the brackets. So that means it only affects the x coordinate. So that means we know that y remains 2. But now this is a little confusing. If it's in the brackets, you do exactly the opposite of what it's doing. So x over 2 means you times x by 2. So times -3 by 2, and you get -6. I know that seems a little odd, but you will see this continues. Now, the point B has coordinates P and Q. Find the coordinates of the image point of point B on the curve with the equation y equals -g x minus c. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at P, because P is the x coordinate. So for P, we add on c. So we add c onto it. So we're going to get P plus c. And for Q, that's going to be the opposite of itself. So it's going to be minus q. I think that one works. I'm just trying to decide whether or not to put the minus onto that. I think that's fine though. Right. C is a constant. Okay, that's fine. So now we're going to do 23, and we're going to express this as a single fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bit here, and I've noticed x squared minus 36. And I've noticed that x squared minus 36 can be divided, it's the difference of two squares. So x squared is squared, and minus 36 is minus 6 times plus 6. So we're going to go x minus 6, x plus 6. And now we're going to do minus 2x minus 6. Now remember that we need, in order for this to work, we need the bottom and the top to be the same. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to times both the top bit here and the bottom bit here by x plus 6. So now I know that that is 20 over x minus 6, x plus 6, and that's minus 2x plus 12. I'm really bad at doing that. I've got to be much more careful. So that means that we have from just this 20 minus 2x and 20 minus 12, which means it's going to be 2x plus 8 over x minus 6, x plus 6. And I know that you're sort of like, well, with bid maths, wouldn't you have done that second? But because it's in brackets, bid, b, it's fine. Now we're going to times this by 1 over 4 minus x. You know what? That's minus 2x. And I'm saying this because I've just noticed something you can do here. So I'm going to turn this round. So it's 8 minus 2x, which is the same as that, over x minus 6, x plus 6. And it's times 1 over 4 minus x. Now, 4 minus x goes into 8 minus 2x twice. So that could be converted into 2, 4 minus x. And that means I can get rid of that and get rid of that. So my actual answer is going to be 2 times 1, which is that. That's going to be 1 at the bottom. So it's 2 over x minus 6, x plus 6. And I can make it look lovely by doing 2 over x squared minus 36.